They screaming out, fuck bitches, kill everybody. I'm thinking to myself, fuck bitches with a mind that's naughty. Illuminati, yeah, my future's bright. Your future's looking odder than Tyler, the hermaphrodite. I mean creator, I am not a hater. I love his shit, call me Brandon the mayor. Because I run towns, I mean I run through them. That's how I get my money, scholarship winning. I do it for the women, I do it for the hoes. I'm fit as shit, boy, you got tummy rolls. And your tattoos, and your fitted hats. I'm sorry I'm not like you, and your cool cats. That was a weak line, don't think I'm on the decline, or else I'll add death to your goddamn timeline. A mouse and a wolf having sex is what I look like. My girlfriend's name is Stay Away, you ugly dyke. I lead, don't follow, so I don't need no damn Twitter. Hell, I'm lying like a sketched out drug dealer. I don't lead, I follow, so I have love pound Twitter. Brandon created the name, so follow me, trigger. But please don't pull the trigger, guns kill like liquor. When you drive, getting high, better say your bye-byes. Out.